Hello, I am Marche Madison Pelt. I am one of the founders of the Alabama Black Belt Scholar STEM Camp. And today, July 17th, 2026, is the last day of our program. Our students are showcasing their projects for the Alabama Black Belt STEM Camp. And I am truly amazed and delighted at what God has placed before us and what God has allowed us to bring into this community. Please join us next year, Alabama STEM Black Belt Scholar STEM Camp. Thank you.
Lord have mercy. This is the Spirit RVR Plus, a robot that you control and code from your own phones and iPads. As you see, we have a parade of them representing Black Belt still count. We have a science float, still a still count float, and we got a tech float. These these floats represent what STEM camp was all about. And now I'm gonna give you some information about the Spirit RVR Plus. The Spirit RVR Plus is an experience that makes robotics exciting, even faster than normal are. We're ready to use driving bases, and snap together components. These and rapid robot builds, they progress quickly from cell to building to testing and iterating. Well, students can learn many different things, like such as motion control, sensors, data, CAD, and system thinkers, applying real robotic concepts like mechanical advantage and control system theory and motion control. They can design and test and refine even more products with these robots. These robots work by fit into one class period, a time, or specialized time period. They have snap together components that are snap together and allow you to do things like these can do. And that these products help move to make the robot move, as you see. And when we have and how we do it, and they spit it around for some reason. I don't know why, but yeah, as we see, we got the robotics, and that's our presentation of the Spiro RVR Plus with our parade of Spiro RVR Pluses. Thank you.
Okay, so this right here, this is for technology. This is a drone. And also this right here, this is a rocket. And this is for the mathematics portion because this is a calculator. And this is for the technology part because this is Wi-Fi. This is science. And this is science. This is a robot. This is the earth. And this is a worm.
My name is Cheyenne. My name is Alana. My name is Jordan. And my name is Saray. This is our drawing. It's a planet called Europia. We have our house, a lake. We got some buildings like a school, stores, other little apartment homes. Our house is based off the casino in Mississippi. We have Lululemon right here. This is our school, and this is just a workplace to build futuristic things for our city. And we live in like the universe basically. That's why we can see Saturn from here. And we don't have a sun, we just have a moon.
Oh, okay. We forgot one person. Her name's Zamaya. She colored. Me and Alana, we colored all of it, most of all of this. It's like the lake, trees, and all of that. And yeah.
Okay, so when we were coloring it, we didn't have any oil paint, so we used Vaseline to make it like blendy and make it look more shiny like we used to paint. We did it for the sky, we blended in the grass and water to make it just look fadey and stuff. We blended a little over here, a little over here. And yeah, and that's our project, our future city. Yay.
At this little bottom part right here, it's going up at like an angle. That's the type of angle we wanted to get. So then you come up here, you got two sides of the city.
Yeah. So on this side, we got STEM University where all the kids go to school. Then we got the Bible court. Like that basically it fuels up the whole city. And then we got the church right here. We got the bank right here. And we got the apartments people. And you see the people. We got a bridge connecting both cities. And then, yeah, they go in the other city.
Boom, on the right side of the city, we got Los Santos Hospital. We got a police department. We got a family-friendly casino. Family-friendly. And, that's really all we had to add because we ain't have a lot of time. But the rest of it, the blank building, they're just office buildings and stuff like that.
Yeah, this is the blunt right here, Los Santos.
Yeah. We were supposed to color in the mountain, but we didn't have enough time.
Yeah, it was meant to be a waterfall coming down.
Yeah. This is Los Santos, though.
They really for real.
They really it.
You got the whole field right here.
Oh, yeah, you see it?
Okay. Good morning. My name is Orlandra McCapa. I am a senior, and this is Miss Jones, Mr. Williams, and Mr. Wilson class, STEM class. And right here we have paper rockets where you blow through the straw and your rocket will fly. And right here we have balloon cars. You gotta blow through the straw for your balloon and get some air there. Yeah. And then right here we had a catapult. Yeah, this. Yeah, you gotta put some right there. Let me see. I don't know where it went.
Um, so we had built like some shapes that we learned in class out of what's it called, the sticks. Yeah,
Marshmallows and spaghetti sticks.
yeah. Then we got pictures presented just for like to have everybody see how fun our class was when we were doing our work, and we listed like triangles, rectangles, and all the above.
And like what type of things they are, like three sides, two arrows, four sides, and like all that type of stuff. We made square rectangles, square pyramids, triangular pyramids, and octangle prisms, and that's it.
So the floor represents the moon. These are considered spaceships, and this is the astronaut. The background is supposed to represent the galaxy, and that's pretty much it.
Okay, so right here we have nature under a microscope. This is our microscope. We got bugs, ladybugs, flowers, a worm, a bird, a butterfly, trees. We got insect under our microscope, and that's pretty much about it for our project.
Right here we have the solar system. We have all the planets. We have a telescope, the sun, and yeah, that's about it.
Hi, my name is Harmony Freeman. My name is Mariana Gator, and we did a cat spaceship, which is um the kind of by mistake 2000, and we made a cat right here. It's an alien cat, and we did all of this. Yes, it was hard work, but we did very good.
All right, so this is foosball, but it's like with a golf ball instead of the little players. Now we're gonna demonstrate how to do it.
Try to trick, basically. What we supposed to be doing? We supposed to demonstrate. We supposed to demonstrate. That's the makeshift foosball.
So we built Mount Loud. Wait, is it on? Can you restart, please? So we built Mount Loud STEM University Center, and here we have our what's it called? Geometric algebra house, and our dimensions well is right here. Our Catalyst Cove, which is our like a water park center. We have our arcade, our what's it called? Quantum Court, basketball court. Our second arcade for architect simulators, and this is our launch pad, Sky's launch pad. This is our National Creativity House, and we have our technology center, Martin Luther King Technology Center. How it works is we get a spring. Jaden, where's the spring? Where did the spring go? We get a spring loaded into here, and this mechanism pushes it down, and it will get added to this mechanism, and it will weld the steel on. And then we have a volcano, which we built with vinegar and hydrochloric acid. And we have the liquid solution with vinegar in first, which is already, and then our baking soda. And it has a chemical reaction to where it's erupting. Now, the fizzing isn't as extravagant as we would like it, but it bubbles out a lot because of the dish soap we added.
Our project is about like how gross is your bathroom. We did the statistics and see how much germs in your bathroom, and this how it is.
Most people think that the dirtiest thing is the toilet, but it's mostly the faucet.
So the things on the ground is like the bacteria and the germs.
Some of the germs are on. Most of the germs are on the counter and the hot and cold handle.
The part of your bathroom with the most germs is your faucet and your counter.
Um, I guess most people think germs will just be on the toilet, but the most germs are on the countertop, but it's germs everywhere in your bathroom.
This is basically how can you protect yourself from germs in the bathroom?
All right, so this is the senior group right here. This is all the projects we made. We're gonna start off with the little roller coaster that we made. Something simple, but we put time and effort into it. Next thing we got a hair cat SRT. We made these out of recyclable things. We put our minds and everything together just to make these right here. Now these right here, this our little wind thing. You know what I'm saying? We all made these. We put time, effort into them, and thanks to our teachers right here, we got Coach Tool right here. Then we got Miss Rouser right here. Everybody played a part into what we did. So thanks to the STEM camp. Lord have mercy.